Greetings from Tybee Island, Georgia, and the Tybee Island Maritime Academy, a K-8 public charter school located just one block from the beach. At TIMA, we're known for our strong STEAM culture and our focus on project-based interdisciplinary learning that connects students to their environment and community. In this micro PD, I'll walk you through one of the tools that makes that possible, our collaborative PBL planning template. This template helps teachers from different disciplines come together to co-design meaningful standards-based learning experiences. Planning interdisciplinary projects can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to align standards, build in real-world connections, and keep students engaged across different subjects. That's why we developed a shared template. It promotes shared ownership of the unit across core content areas and our applications classes. It also mirrors the design thinking used by the students in project-based learning and makes space for community partnerships, design thinking, and student creativity. The result? Projects that are purposeful, engaging, and rooted in both rigor and relevance. Our PBL planning template guides teachers through essential components of unit design, starting with a clear title, timeline, and a strong driving question that connects disciplines through a real-world challenge. It prompts teams to align learning targets, plan for community partnerships, embed SEL traits, and organize the unit using the design thinking process. This structure ensures that each project is purposeful, standards-based, and student-centered. Here's how we use this template as a living document during collaborative planning. Teachers meet in grade level teams with a shared theme or idea in mind. We start by co-writing the driving question. It serves as our compass. Here are some examples of a few driving questions from units that we've done in the past. From there, each teacher adds relevant learning targets and text tied to their content. We brainstorm potential community partners and discuss how they could interact with students. Next, we make connections to the LYP themes and traits. We map out the design thinking phases, deciding where each subject or activity fits naturally into the progression. The document is updated in real time and revisited throughout the unit. Because we all contribute and reflect together, the result is a project that feels cohesive, student-centered, and authentic. Let me give you an example from one of our 7th grade projects titled Smaller Footprints. In this project, students were asked to identify an environmental issue that impacts our community. Once they did that, they interviewed stakeholders, created their own data collection plan in which they went out and collected baseline data to identify the scale and scope of that problem. In the Imagine phase, they used strategies learned from our community partner at Front Porch Improv to brainstorm solutions, and they chose one to prototype. During the Create phase, they designed, implemented, and reiterated their solutions to that problem. And then in the share phase, they pitched their ideas to real community partners during a solutions showcase. We found this collaborative planning process to be transformational for both teachers and students. It builds clarity, confidence, and creativity into every unit. If you'd like to try it, we invite you to adapt our template and give it a go with your team. Start with one project, choose a compelling question, and most importantly, plan together.